99. How to play. The object of the game is to be the last player remaining. The object of each hand is to not bring the center pile's value above 99. Pick one player to be the dealer. The dealer shuffles a standard 52-card deck of playing cards and deals 3 cards to each player. Players look at their own cards but keep them hidden from their opponents. The remaining cards are placed face down as a draw deck. Give each player 5 chips. If playing with more than 4 players, use 2 decks of cards and give each player 3 chips instead. The player to the left of the dealer goes first and play initially proceeds clockwise. On your turn, you must play 1 card from your hand. Cards are played to a pile in the center of the table. Each time a card is played, it adds to the total value of the center pile based on what card is played. Aces are worth 11 or 1 at the player's choice. Numbered cards are worth their face value, and face cards are worth 10. With these exceptions, 4s are worth 0 and reverse the direction of play. 9s count as 0. 10s can either increase or decrease the value of the pile by 10. The player decides. And kings set the value of the pile to 99. Each time you play a card, you must say the new total of the pile. After you play a card, you draw 1 new card from the deck, adding it to your hand. If you forget to draw by the time the next player draws a card, then you lose the ability to draw that card and must finish the hand with 1 fewer card. If the draw deck runs out of cards, the count remains unchanged, and you shuffle the bottom cards into a new draw deck and play continues. If you cannot make a play without making the total value of the pile over 99, you lay down your cards and the hand is over. Add 1 of your chips into the center, but if you have no chips left, then you are eliminated from the game. After each hand, the role of dealer rotates clockwise by 1 to the next player who is still in the game. Keep playing until only 1 player has any chips left. Then, that player is the winner and collects all the chips from the center. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. Check out playingcarddex.com for an awesome variety of playing cards, and be sure to use my promo code TSG for 10% off your entire order.